Hey guys, Ricardo here with Movers Boost. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the most amount of reviews for your moving company consistently without overcomplicating it. Because let's be honest, every moving company wants more reviews. That's obvious. But most of them either don't ask or ask at the wrong time, or probably rely on some automated system that doesn't really work. So today I'm going to break down exactly how to fix that and how to turn every completed job into an opportunity to get a 5-star review. So before get into the how, let's talk about why and why this matters. When someone searches for a moving company, what do they look at? Your rating, your number of reviews, and what people are saying about you. So if you have a 4.9 stars plus 200 reviews versus a competitor that has 4.6 and only 30 reviews, who do you think gets the call? Of course, the one that has better reputation, more reviews, and everything. That's what I would do. That's what would any client, potential customer would do. So let's let me show you an example of this. First Start the Moving Crew. This is one of our clients. 419 reviews, 4.9. And then we have their competitors. Their competitors have 4.7, 374. Not bad at all, but still, our client is way better at this. 4.9 and 400 plus reviews. Let me see this other one. 4.8, 134. So our client is winning with volume, more reviews, and also with the average star. Um, they have 4.9. So even that this one is first right now, they always change. And this one that is a sponsor, he's paying a lot of money for this. They have a better reputation than them. 4.8, 163. So out of these four that I see here, even though this is the first one because they are paying for it and they are sponsored, our client has better reputation, more reviews, and that's what matters. So reviews are not just about reputation. They directly impact your ranking and Google Maps, your click-through rate, and your conversion rates. So it's more easy to turn a turn traffic into leads when you have this amount of reviews and good reviews, of course, not just any 2 or 3 stars. So more reviews equals more trust, and more trust equals more jobs. That's very simple. So uh, now here's the biggest mistake moving companies make. They rely on follow-ups. When they send an email later after a day after the job was done, after the move, they send a text later, probably next day. And guess what? The customer is already done. They already moved on. They forget about it. They forget about the job. They are um, just they got to their new home. They are cleaning stuff. They are unpacking boxes. So they don't have time for that. The best time to get a review is not later. It's not later. It's not the day after. It's right after the job is done, when the experience is fresh, when the customer is happy. That's when you ask for a review. And here's the system, and it's very simple. Every single job at the end, before the movers leave, you ask for the review. Not optional, not sometimes, every single time. And here's how you make it easy. We actually send our clients laminated QR codes that takes them directly to your Google Maps. There will be little cards, plastic cards with a QR code on it. So when the job is done, customer is happy, everything went smoothly. Your mover can say, or you, hey, and it will really help us out if you could leave us a quick review. You can just scan this and you can hand it to them. You will scan it with their phones and you will get a review. The customer scans it and opens directly to your Google review page. And they leave the review right there on the spot. That's it. No friction, no delay, no follow ups needed. This works because of timing. Right after the job, the customer is still emotional about the experience. If everything went smoothly, of course, if they are happy, they remember the service because it's right there on the spot, and they are more willing to help. So that's the time when you ask for a review. If you wait even a few hours, that drops. If you wait a day, even worse. So the key is capture the review at the peak moment. So now this only works if your team actually does it. We will send those laminated QR codes to your mailing address, um, a set of them, so your whole team, your whole crew can have them. But you need an SOP, a simple SOP for this. Every crew member knows before leaving the job, ask for the review, show the QR code. They need to know this. You can even incentivize um, incentivize this system. For example, you can give a small bonus for every review mentioning their name or general review. Now your team is motivated to get this review. Um, so now let's layer on a few more things. Number one, you still can send a follow-up text. This is a good option too. It's not it wouldn't be my first option, but still it's a good option. Even if you ask in person, some people will forget and they will say, okay, I will scan it, but I will do it later. So send a message with the review link. We will provide this to you as well. A thank you link that is going to take them to your Google Maps review page. Number two, ask happy customers only. So if sometimes some things can go wrong, if something went wrong, fix it first. That's the first thing they should do, and then ask. And number three is respond to every review. So this shows Google you are active and it builds trust with future customers. Number four, mention reviews during the job. If the customer is already saying, you guys are amazing, the guys did a great job, that's your signal right there. If they're happy, if they say something positive, that's your signal to take the laminated QR code and show it to them, hand it to them so they can scan it. That's when you say, I really appreciate that. We would love if you could leave us a quick review after the job. Now you pre-framed it. So that's another option too. This is not about doing it once. This is about doing it every single job. If you do 30 jobs a month, 30 moves a month, you should be getting reviews every single month. At least five, at least 10. And that's how companies go from 20 reviews to 200 to 500 plus. So that's how you get more reviews and better reputation. So the bottom line is getting reviews is not complicated at all. Getting here, like our clients, Fresh Start the Movie Crew, 4.9, 419 reviews. 419 reviews. Um, it's not complicated. You don't need a fancy software to get reviews. You don't need complicated system. You just need to give a good service and ask for the reviews. That's it. A simple system. You just need timing, timing, the right process, and consistency. If you implement this, you will get more reviews. Simple as that. And if you want help setting this up the right way, reach out to us at Movers Booth. You can give me a call, phone number right here in this page. Filled our form. I'll be calling you in the next 10 to 15 minutes to set up a strategy call. We will check your company, your business, see how can we help you get more business, get more jobs in the first 30 days. So thank you so much for watching the video and see you next time. Thank you.